So guys, good morning. My name is Luis. Nice to meet you. This is Lenny. We're gonna be your tour guides today for the rest of the The only wild animal here is Lenny. Let's go.
Ooh, no, not that ugly one. No, that one.
One or two?
What is it? A cockroach? But yeah, this is my outfit.
Guys, I hope you guys can hear me, but I took an Uber here. The Uber was $4.
So guys, good morning. My name is Luis. Nice to meet you. This is Lenny. We're gonna be your tour guides today for the rest of the day. Your best friend, your brother, your cousin, your whatever you want me to.
Boyfriend.
Okay? Just so you guys know, you got the best tour guide, driver, and DJ in the island. Okay? Yeah. But keep it inside the bus, because if you say that outside, they get a little bit angry. Okay? Yeah. So best bartender in the island, Lenny, right here. Serving you guys the entire time. If you need to throw trash, you need some bartending stuff that I'm gonna be telling you a little bit later. Lenny's gonna be there for you the entire time, okay? So first thing we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be stopping in a bakery that is called Luquillo Beach Bakery. It's in Luquillo, right there. It's gonna be like 50 minutes from here. If you need to change your clothes or you need to use the bathroom, that's gonna be the moment, okay? There's no bathroom at the river, and the river is not a bathroom. Okay? For the men, there is a big public bathroom, but for the women, it's a little bit more sketchy, you know. But we're gonna be there. We're gonna be there for like 30-35 minutes. It depends how much they take for taking the food out. We're not gonna rush them, because there's always good vibes on my bus, okay? I don't like rushing nobody. I'm not in rush either, okay? And it's 25 people going at the same moment. We cannot expect too much, okay? So we're just gonna wait until the food comes, and that's it. We're gonna be patient. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
Different types, okay? And just so you know, just in a Yunque rains more than in the whole island together, okay? So this is a really dry island. We are already getting into the municipality of Rio Grande. Rio Grande is called the city of El Yunque. Every single municipality in Puerto Rico have a signification. When we going next to Luquillo, Luquillo is called the capital of the sun. Carolina is called the giants. Loiza, the capital of the tradition. That's how it is with every single municipality, okay? It's supposed to mean something with the municipality. For me, it doesn't mean nothing. I'm from Carolina, and I already tell you, Carolina is the giants. And
I know. So good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to Yunque Rainforest. This morning we got into the tour bus. They was playing music, so I couldn't really get to talk to you guys. But anyways, yeah, they stopped at a bakery so we can get some food, some breakfast before we go in the rainforest, because obviously there is nothing there in the rainforest to eat. So we're eating first. I just had some chicken soup and a pastry because they had like rice and pork and I think that's just too heavy. And then they had like sandwiches. Like I'm not in the mood for like sandwiches. So I just had like chicken soup and a pastry. And then now we're gonna go to the rainforest. And then after the rainforest, he said we're gonna go to Luquillo Beach. And there we can buy lunch because they have like shops and stores and all that good stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go to the rainforest first, then spend the afternoon at Luquillo Beach, and then come back home. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So we all finished eating. I came to use the restroom because there is no restroom in the rainforest. So I have to go now. And there's music out there, so I don't want to get copyrighted. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna use the bathroom, head back to the tour bus, and then go to the rainforest and start the day. So let's go, you guys. I'm so excited. The tour guides are really, really cool people. They're so sweet. They're so fun. They play some really good music. They hype the day up, make us all excited for today. Like, there's cool people on the bus. A lot of older ladies on the bus. They're so fun. But yeah, so far it's a good time.
Rainforest right here. The only wild animal here is Nanny. Already, so don't worry. There's some snakes and some spiders, yes. But they don't have poison, they just bite, okay? Don't worry, okay? One chupacabra, but he's my friend already because I'm from here. So you guys are gonna be fine with that. Don't forget to grab any tree, any rocks on your side, okay? Let's go slow. It doesn't matter how long we take to make it there. I just want to make it there safe and completely, okay? Sounds good?
Sounds good. Yeah. I don't want to hold it in my hand either. That's why I just put it on. Yeah, this is very slippery. And muddy. Senorita, if those grannies can make it, we can make it. Got the golden girls.
That's why I don't wear nice stuff here.
Today gonna be the day I jump off a cliff. Yesterday when I jumped off the boat, that was my practice for today. When the little girl was like, I do this all the time.
Yeah, when she
You scared? I do this all the time.
That's the thing about when you're a little kid, you don't be scared of nothing.
Cause she's so skinny and flimsy, you can just fly over there with no time.
She flew and then she went, oh.
This is the first tour I've seen. She's scared. She's scared, señorita.
You're gonna use this.
Woo!
Choose. Yes. Let's go.
Hey, you and Josh gotta go in.
rainforest tour is over, so now we're spending the afternoon at the beach. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna get a pineapple. Hi. How are you? How much for the pineapple?
Okay, I have the pineapple without 20, with 25.
With alcohol.
Uh-huh.
You take cards?
No, I have Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, PayPal.
Oh, I'll do
and
Zelle.
cash.
I'll do Zelle.
Zelle? Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah, just
You
give
want
me your Zelle info.
Piña colada?
That's the only one you have?
I have mojitos inside and margarita.
Oh.
Yes. How you like it? The piña colada, mojito, or margarita.
You making it difficult to choose.
I recommend it to you piña colada.
Okay, I'll take the pina colada.
Okay.
Since you made it easier to choose, I'll choose pina colada.
Okay, perfect. One second.
Yeah. Thank you. All right, y'all. So we're gonna get a pina colada and a pineapple. But she went to do a delivery over there. It's the beach, you guys. It looked like it's about to rain. Since I've been here, it rains every day. This is the beach. So beautiful. This is Luquillo Beach. The weather is changing. It's getting cloudy.
¿Cómo es? Otro plato. Ajá.
The rain stopped? Yo, this rain is bipolar. It stopped?
Y entre... ¿Se puede editar? Editar. Entre comillas. La tapa de esto cayó dentro del zafacón. Pero lo coges ya mismo porque... bueno, está bien, allá hay agua.
You have cherries?
No.
No.
Oye, ella es buena, Cherry.
Ooh. No, not that ugly one.
No,
That one.
one or two.
Oh, what is it? A cockroach? You just put another one. That's probably the closest I come to eating an octopus. Yeah, you can put another one. You want a cockroach?
Okay, perfect.
Sorry.
Whatever you want.
You don't want one?
Ay.
There you go.
You should get one.
Take a picture of it. Oh, no. Girl, I want to let you. I flew right over as soon as I go on.
You gonna hold on? And you was trying, but there was nothing else in the bottom. Hey guys. Thank you.
Hey guys, so we made it back to the Airbnb. I'm not even gonna hold you, but I'm feeling a little woozy after that whole big ass mojito looking like a Starbucks drink. Like I'm feeling a little bubbly. But anyways, we just got home, but we still wanna chill. We're gonna go to the pool and relax, and then later we're gonna go out tonight. The driver from the bus told us to go to this place called La Placita. So we're gonna go to La Placita and see what's going on, what it's about. And yeah, but we're gonna go to the pool, okay? We're going to the pool because the beach, we only had 2 hours at the beach before the bus come to get us. I couldn't even show you guys the pinchos. The pinchos is basically like a shish kebab. Like you guys ever heard about a shish kebab? It's like just the chicken on the steak or the shrimps on the steak. It was really, really good. I think it needed a little bit more barbecue sauce, but it was really
You could swim?
Hmm?
You could swim?
Yeah.
You bought
Is this the deep side?
Yeah, 8 feet.
Oh. No, I gotta go over there. Oh, wait, who's floating on there?
We're floating. Where we
Float. Then I could float over here with that, but if not, then I'm gonna drown. Or I gotta use that little life raft.
You know what? Actually, maybe the kids left it in here. Oh, this is good.
Hey my loves, I am back. So today we went to the rainforest. When we got home, we went to the pool. And you guys, your girl was tired. I was so tired, I took a nap. My friend, she went out already. I just got up like around 10. It's 12 o'clock right now in the night. And I just got dressed to go out where she's at this place called La Placita. She said it's kind of like a block party. So I'm gonna go and meet her there. I'm dressed, so I'm about to call me an Uber and I'm gonna meet her there. So show you guys my outfit. So this is my top, this is my pants, my shoes. I don't feel like bringing a bag, so I just put my cards in my pocket. But yeah, this is my outfit. The bulb still doesn't work, so hope you guys can see. But yeah, don't mind the mess, just watch here. You guys, so I'm walking to get some food first, but it's very windy out here. I hope you guys can hear. It's a lucky thing I didn't have a wig on, because it would have been blown away by now in all of this wind. Like, it's really windy, but it's windy but not cold windy. It's like cool breeze windy, so it feels really, really good. Because technically I'm naked, like my whole back is out, but it's good here. But yeah, so I'm walking to this empanada. Wait, no, actually, Puerto Ricans don't call it empanada. They call it pastelitos. I'm walking to this pastelito spot that's open all night. So I'm gonna get something to eat, and then I'm gonna go to La Placita, because La Placita only have drinks, and I'm hungry. So that's where we're gonna go. Hey guys, so this is the pastelito spot. Hello. Hi. Can I have a chicken? A chicken and cheese. A chicken and cheese. All right, you guys. I hope you guys can hear me, but I took an Uber here. The Uber was $4, but this is La Placita. It starts down here. I'm gonna show you guys.